Got the Uncrustable heating up, and we got Mr. Oz Garage.
It's going to be a great day. I think that's our indicator.
Blake going out for his first mayhem. I think the brake pad was starting to like split. Alrighty, good morning guys. So today we got another sunny, super nice open drift. I have one set of tires to burn through because I ordered tires like a month ago and they still haven't shown up. So we're just running on what we got. Should be a good day. Got some people coming, got to take some people for some ride-alongs. But it's super nice out, already super warm, so it's gonna get hot. Gotta make sure I drink water, but we'll be good, so stay tuned for more. Got the Uncrustable heating up, and we got Mr. Oz Garage with the hatch.
Yes.
Oop, we're out of focus, there we go. It's gonna be a good day, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be a great day. I think that's our indicator.
Yeah, just leave it there. Alrighty, I don't know how well you guys can hear me through the helmet, but I just had to swap the battery on the GoPro because it was dead, I guess, which is weird because I charged it yesterday, but it was dead. So got a fresh battery in there. So let's make this one count. And first lap went all right. Kind of had a weird straighten, so we're gonna fix that and keep driving. Like everybody's here. We got Oz vlogging in the background here. Got this 240, got Brandon's car and the S13, but look at this fool over here. Vlogging away. Look at him. A few laps have been good, got some tandems in, so my car's definitely still slow. That hasn't changed, but so far so good. We got this goofball getting the clips over here, and we got Blake going for his ride along.
Might as well, bro. Take advantage of the moment.
Got an accident on track somewhere. Good stuff though.
Dang, Aiden. That was sick.
Alrighty guys, so it is mayhem time and we got Blake going out for his first mayhem.
What up?
Hopefully we don't die. more laps. Got the GoPro on the window. Got Oz. This will be fun. So we did a lap. Before the lap I heard some brake noise, or what could be brake noise, and on the inside there's like a little ring from the caliper hardware rubbering from the wheel bearing being loose. So much for these Amazon wheel bearings. This one was kind of loose when I first put it on, so I guess it's finally starting to let go. So we might have to replace that. Luckily this one's easy peasy, so let's see if we can find one locally. Alrighty, so my car is down for the count. I'll tell you guys why later, but we're going for some ride-alongs with Oz.
Yeah.
It's pretty legit, pretty comfy. Got the auto seat belts in this thing. Pretty great.
Stock S13 living.
Living in luxury here.
Except for the AC.
No AC,
No AC.
Working windows.
No, my phone's in the e-brake. The new tires are night and day, bro.
Guys, so we just got back from the track, like literally just pulled in the garage. So my hair's all foo-foo. I was trying to figure out what that noise was. I don't know if you guys could hear it on the video, but what the noise was that caused that issue. I thought it was originally like the hub wobbling around, causing the brakes to grind. So you can kind of see, like I said, on the back side of this rotor, you see this ring right here. Yeah, so I was wondering what that was caused from. It was from the brakes, obviously, but I'll show you why. So as you can see here, let's do this. As you can see here, the shim's crooked as all hell, so we kind of just pop that right back in. Almost gonna have to fix it a little bit, but see, check this out. I think the brake pad was starting to like split. So I don't know what that's caused by. So that's cool. Gotta get new brake pads. Hopefully I can warranty these, but lovely. Also figured out the cause of my binding issue, so I'm hitting on my inner tub as well as hitting here. On the passenger side, this is worse and this is better. This has more damage on this side. I'm assuming this is caused by my caster. I'm gonna see if I can maybe, if I can maybe trim this back or hammer it up and tuck it in so I don't hit on it so much, but that's a solution to that grinding issue, so that's cool. All right, just took the shim off, so you can obviously tell which side was the bad side. This side here, it's all mangled out of shape. I'm gonna try to bend this back, so I don't know if I can get these at the parts store. I'm gonna look, but I think I tried already and they didn't have them, so we'll try again if I can't bend this back. But yeah, I don't know how this happened. I noticed it during Tandem Mayhem today, so maybe it was just, I don't even know what could happen, but that's cool. So I'll gotta show you what's going on with the other side too. All right, guys, so another thing that I did notice was I just kind of hand tightened this one down, but the bottom lock ring on the BC coils that I have, never touched them, never done anything with them. They came loose. Maybe it was my fault for not double checking to see if they were tight. I would assume they would have from factory, but I guess they have. I guess they're not fully tight or what, or maybe it's just a rattling. I don't know. But yeah, as you guys see, we're rubbing pretty good on this side, on this inner lip. So I was gonna see if I can trim that off and then kind of fold it in. And then this one isn't nearly as bad, so it's weird. But I'm going to take this off, check on these brake pads. I just called O'Reilly's. They got a lifetime warranty on the brake pads. So we're gonna definitely take full advantage of that one. Let's get these brake pads off though. So yeah, this side looks nice and dandy, nice and normal. Everything's good over here. We didn't have a lip on this inside rotor. I didn't notice, the only thing I did notice on these, there's a little bit of water. Maybe because I washed the car last night. I don't know if that's from that, or I haven't driven through any puddles today, so I don't know why it'd have like that water oily look to it. Maybe it's oil, I don't know. But the little backing piece kind of scooted up on both of these. So I don't know if it's just the low quality pads or what, but we're gonna lifetime warranty them for now and maybe look into getting some better quality pads. But in the meantime, these will do fine. Because I have to lifetime warranties all the time, I guess, but who knows? Yeah, so this is how I found the BC, the coilover. So we're just like, I touched this and it just went like that. It's all loose, so we're gonna have to tighten that down. I don't know if that's a me thing or if that's a BC thing. Probably just a me thing, being negligent and not double checking these. So I guess we'll do that from now on, make sure those are tight. These ones are tight, so it's weird, who knows? Alrighty guys, so I think we're gonna end the video here with the 240 on jack stands. I'm gonna get those new brakes. That should fix the issue. I figure why those coilovers came loose. I just tightened them down pretty good, so they should be nice. I'll get this sorted, and then I don't know when the next event is. There was going to be one on Friday, but I think it either got canceled or whatever. But I don't think I'm going to go to that one. So get the car sorted, nut and bolt check. I also I noticed just a new leak under the car, so I'm going to put a piece of cardboard down, see if it's actively leaking. So we'll see. But thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully we got some cool outside clips from everyone that was there. So yeah, you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.